Somebody actually asked me to follow up with the premium laundry detergent and asked about spot treating. So, did that even sound like spot treating? Spot treating. Okay, there we go. Now we can talk. So I'm going to show you, I just went and got ice cream. Apparently I was a bit sloppy. So we are going to spot treat this shirt. And we're going to see how it works. You're so vain. You probably think this song is about you. You're so vain. You probably think this song is about you, don't you, don't you? Okay, so I was talking to my neighbor, and that was the song that came up. So, thought I'd give you a little piece of it. Song of the day. Okie doke. So, a great viewer asked me a question, okay? They asked me, how does it spot treat? And so I was like, okay, let's do that. So Ultra Fresh Platinum laundry detergent that I bought at Menards, told you guys about it. It was $33. No, it was $39. And then with the rebate, whatever it was, it came up to $33 with the rebate. I'll just put it like that because I don't want to lie. And I forgot. And it's funny because once you do these like videos, you know, like you find so much other stuff. So I was looking at it yesterday and I was like, okay, I'm going to see what I wanted to spot treat. Okay, here it is. So I wanted to spot treat this because I did this the other day. I spilled ice cream on my shirt. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Boom. See it? Okay. And the cool thing about it is that you actually see on here, like what I didn't notice. Okay, so after answering 25 questions from my son, I'm back. All right, so one of the things that it said was, they asked me was how long did it last? And it says that 5 gallons do up to 640 loads. And then in here, which I didn't notice when I put it together, you know, because I put it together in front of you guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. It gives you like all the pump instruction stuff too. But I figured that out on my own, so I felt really smart. And then on the back is really cool because it tells you that 1 pump equals 1 ounce or 1/8 of a cup. And whitens and brightens clothes, deep cleaning power, clean fresh scent, and lasting freshness. Safe to use on all washable fabrics, may be used in standard or HE machines, and safe for septic systems when used as directed. And then on the other side, it goes into Espanol. And then at the bottom, it also tells you how to, in case you lost the paper, how to actually take off the spout in order to put the pump on there. So it doesn't tell you really what it does as far as spot treating. So we're just going to see if it does spot treat. So here we go. So I got the shirt that I was telling you guys about with the chocolate ice cream, and I think this is as good a way to test it as any because it's like right on the wall, the white with my clumsy butt. Okay, so we're gonna hold and pump. You're not gonna be able to see it, but all right. So I'm going to put this. I did put it on there. You can see. I'm going to just. I really need like a stand. I'm gonna just being real. All right, I'm just gonna kind of rub it in there somewhat. And I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes. So I have to do something else real quick. But right now you can already see, just to be honest, from what I did do, that the chocolate has gotten a little bit lighter. And I'm gonna hold it in the light. So like compared to the way it was, it's definitely gotten lighter. So we're gonna leave it on there for 10 minutes and we're gonna check it out. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, y'all. Let's see. See if I can find it. Okay. All right, so we still do have a little bit there. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna try to add a little water to it and see if it'll come out. So we'll just put you down here and you can check out. My phone doesn't fall, which I think it will. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, let's see. Ooh. Oh God. Hey, it's out. It is out, guys. So yes, it does spot treat. That's my finger there. Yeah, and I didn't do that little area right there where there's a little bit of ice cream there. But yeah, what you're seeing is actually like this right here that I didn't do. But where that ice cream was, which was right here, wait, right there, it's gone, y'all. And we got a little shadow, so it's making it look like it's still there, but it's not. Okay, I'm excited. So yes, it does. Now I can answer the question. It's spot treats. Let's get this thing going.